Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about the 11 players who failed to perform in this edition of the Indian Premier League. We use the same rules of having 11 as the IPL states with only 4 overseas players in our 11. Let's find out as to who makes it to our team. Aaron Finch. A lot was expected from Aaron Finch in this season. He was expected to play the role of being the opener who could score runs for the team consistently and also at a good pace. He had a strike rate of just 111 this season and he averaged only 22.33. This makes him our first pick. Prithvi Shaw. Prithvi Shaw started off beautifully this season. Expectations from him started to grow and suddenly he just stopped performing after his knock of 66. He averaged of only 17.53 as an opener this season and did not contribute with the bat in most of the games for Delhi Capitals. His inconsistency this season makes him our second pick. Glenn Maxwell. Glenn Maxwell is known for his ability to turn matches around with his explosive power hitting. This season, however, he striked at just over a run a ball with an average of just 15. He amassed only 108 runs in his 13 games and proved to be a liability on the Punjab side. This makes him our third pick. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is considered to be the best finisher in this game. This season, however, Captain Cool was unable to finish a single game for Chennai Super Kings while batting in the death overs. He scored only 200 runs in his 14 matches, which is not what was expected from a player of his potential and caliber. This makes him a disappointment this season and he is also the captain of this 11 and the fourth pick. Kedar Jadhav. Some could say that Kedar Jadhav single-handedly lost a few games for Chennai Super Kings this season with his slow batting. His strike rate was less than a runner ball with only 93 this season and he scored nearly 62 runs in 8 matches, making him the biggest disappointment of the season. This thus makes him our fifth pick. Dinesh Karthik. Dinesh Karthik is known for his cool batting under pressure and playing of sensible knocks under pressure and taking his team through. This season, however, he scored only 169 runs in 14 matches with an average of just 14.08. He was a disappointment this season and this makes him our sixth pick. Kuldeep Yadav. Kuldeep Yadav was unable to impact a single game this season. The left-arm Chinaman is known for his lethal bowling and wicket-taking abilities. He only picked up 1 wicket in 5 matches this season, which led to him being dropped out of the 11 of KKR. This thus makes him our 7th pick. Dale Steyn. Dale Steyn is known for his brilliant bowling in the power play as he has wicket-taking abilities as he knows how to swing the ball at a brilliant pace in the power play overs. This season, however, he had an economy rate of 11.40 and picked only 1 wicket, which led him to being dropped out of the playing 11 every now and then from the RCB side. This thus makes him our 8th pick. Andre Russell. Andre Russell was in and out of the KKR squad due to his injuries this season. Even in the matches that he played, he failed to create an impact on the games with only 117 runs in 10 games with an average of just 13. His economy rate was also high as 9.72 this season and he proved to be a disappointment to all the KKR fans. This thus makes him our ninth pick. Navdeep Saini. Navdeep Saini never looked to be a threatening bowler this season. He was inconsistent with the ball and picked up only 6 wickets in 13 games with an economy rate of 8.29. His inconsistency with wicket taking lost RCB a few games and made the RCB bowling look weak throughout the season. His inconsistency with the bowling makes him our 10th pick. Jaydev Unadkat. Jaydev Unadkat has been very inconsistent with the ball for Rajasthan Royals this season. He was a dependable bowler, but he could not find a glimpse of form this entire season. He did not live up to his expectations and he took only 4 wickets in 7 games and conceded runs at an economy rate of 9.91. His disappointing form makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who made the least impact on the games that they played. Each of them have been disappointments for their respective teams while also being flops with respect to their individual performances and did not live up to their potential at all. Who makes it into your flop 11 of the season? Let us know down below.